hello, this is Shweta. Welcome to my classes. Today we will be understanding what is octet rule. So you already heard, isn't it, octet rule? So now let us study in detail what is octet rule. So I have written what is the rule actually. So an atom will gain or lose the electrons to obtain 8 electrons in its outer shell. So octet is nothing but, octet means what? 8. So it should fulfill the 8 electron condition. Octet means what? 8. You have learned now octagon with the 8-sided figure. Even octopus. Octopus means what you have learned? Like 8 legs. Isn't it? Here 8 legs, here 8 sides. You have learned this. So octa means what? 8. So octet rule means what? So an atom always wants to have 8 electrons in its outer shell. Outer shell means like valence shell. Think that this is the inside nucleus and this is an atom. So first shell will have 2 electrons and next shell will be having 8 electrons. Isn't it? Then so on. Again 8 electrons. So on it will follow. So always atom, it wants to have 8 electrons in its outer shell. It means what? That is the stable configuration for this any atom. So they want to achieve the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. Nearest noble gas, any helium, like neon. So those configuration they want to attain because noble gases are always stable and they are completely filled. So these atoms want to be stable. So all the atoms you consider, so they want to be in a stable state. Why they follow this octet rule? Because they want to be stable. This is the most important word we should know. So all the atoms, whatever you take, they want to have the stability. To get stabilized, what they do? They want 8 electrons in its outer shell. This is nothing but your octet rule. So now we can see here I have drawn lithium, sodium and chlorine energy level diagrams. Clear? So I have drawn the atomic structure of that. So here you can see lithium, its atomic number is 3. Isn't it? Hydrogen, helium and lithium. So you have 3 electrons placed. First electron, first shell will contain 2 and next valence shell is containing only 1 electron. So now it want to have the, as I said, it want to have the nearest to noble gas configuration. So what it does is, it loses this electron. So if it loses its electron, so what happens? Your valence shell is completely filled. And this is the state of what? Your noble gas. Noble gas, helium. So it will attain the configuration of helium, which is stable. So what happens? This, whatever this electron is there now, it loses the electrons. So you can say an atom will gain or loses that. So it loses the electrons to get the stability. Clear? This is in case of lithium. Now coming to sodium. Sodium is having what? 11 electrons, isn't it? Sodium is having 11 electrons. First shell 2, next shell 8 and next shell only 1 electron. Again see here, this valence shell, it is having only 1. So instead of getting 7 electrons, it is difficult. So what it does? Again this also loses. So it loses this electron. If it loses that electron, the nearest neighbor, it will attain the nearest configuration of noble gas. Which is that noble gas? It will attain the noble gas configuration of neon. That is 10. Isn't it? Neon is 10. So this it will lose and it will have the completely filled octet. So again like this, it loses the electron and it gains the stability. Coming to chlorine. So chlorine, what happens? Your chlorine atomic number is 17. Isn't it? So it is 17. So your first shell is completely filled with 2 electrons. Next shell is also completely filled with 8 electrons. Coming to the next outermost valence, here only 7 electrons are remaining, isn't it? But it needs 1 electron. So here only 1 electron is deficient. So instead of losing 7 electrons, it can just gain 1 electron, isn't it? It is easy to gain 1 electron instead of losing 7 electrons. So what happens? It will try to gain the electron. Why it will gain the electron? It wants to complete a octet and wants the stability. You can see here it is even gain. So an atom will either gain or either lose the electrons to have the 8 electron in its outer shell. Why it does? Because it wants electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Now which is the nearest noble gas for that? By getting 1 electron, what happens? It will fulfill the argon, isn't it? Noble gas configuration of argon it will get. Like this, what all the atoms, whatever you take, so it will try to be in the stable state just by having 8 electrons in its valence shell and they will fulfill the noble gas configuration. This is nothing but your octet rule. I hope you understood this octet rule.